In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import data into Hubspot. We'll walk through this straightforward process to ensure you're ready to manage your data in the most efficient way possible. No matter if you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will break down each step into easy to follow instructions. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point, the gateway to all the tools and resources HubSpot offers. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's typically at the top right corner of the page. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your login information handy. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it easily. Once logged in, you should find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. Everything you'll need is navigable from this central hub. Now shift your attention to the top right section of your screen. You'll find a cluster of icons or options. One of them will be labeled Settings. Click on it to proceed. This is your command center where you manage configurations and tweak the platform to fit your requirements precisely. Next, within the settings menu, look for import and export and click on it. This section is pivotal because it outlines all the data your HubSpot account is currently interacting with, and it's where you'll initiate the import process. Continuing, select Go to Import. This action directs you to the import console, which is where you'll handle your data files. What's great here is that HubSpot supports various data file types like CSV, so ensure your data is pre-formatted to meet such specifications for smooth sailing. Now once on the import page, you will see an option to import a file. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose the specific file you wish to integrate into HubSpot. Make sure that your data file is complete and accurate beforehand, as this can prevent future hassles with data misalignment. After selecting your file, the nifty option you want to click next is Start Import. This final step signals HubSpot to begin the data integration process, allowing its system to effectively incorporate your data into its database. If your file is large, this might take a few moments, but rest assured HubSpot is handling it. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to seamlessly import data into HubSpot. Whether managing customer contacts, sales leads, or marketing metrics, efficiency is now just a few clicks away. Keep practicing with different data sets to become more familiar with the process, and soon you'll be streamlining data like a pro. Thanks for tuning in and happy importing.